Hi guys, I am Nabil Munir. Today I tell you how to record screen. Just a simple way. You just need to search ice cream screen recorder from Google, and on the first link ice cream map application you click here, and it's open your official official website. You just click on download and install. Click here and download and install. Then you get this type of icon. This icon. Click here and open. It's a 52 MB and then if you wanna capture custom area, full screen, lost area auto detection. If you wanna full screen, click here, then it appears here. It's tell you here the quality of video, what type of quality you want. Here the full screen. If you wanna 7 capture custom 7 10 24 and 70, I will just need a full screen. I want a green screen. And here is the button record REC. If you when you click here, it show this and okay. It's started after 3 seconds. No, our video recording is start. If I open here, then here there is a 5 6 countdown is start. So our screen recording, no, our screen recording, and you stop here. If I wanna stop, no, click on stop. Give a file name, screen. Here is a name, and here is a file is show 13 MB. So it's open in the open folder. When I open it, it's in media player. So check our screen. Here you see that our screen is recording. Here is a recorded screen. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channels. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.